Hi guys, so in this video I'll make you earn $21 in just 3 clicks. You can see here in my account $21 is credited in the form of SBull token. You can see the amount of token which is credited. It can increase or decrease with time as the crypto fluctuates, but you will get exactly $21. What you just need to do is go to the description box below, click on the given link. I've already pasted the link in the Chrome browser. Hit enter. You will enter the website and you need to just click on blue button, sign up now. Enter your desired email, password and the verification code which you'll receive in the email, and the referral code is already pasted from the link below. Just input all the information and hit enter. It will take 48 to 72 hours to get $21. After you are done entering the information, click on sign up button. You will enter the page which is the account page of the 5 ROI. You cannot access the SBull token from the website, so you just need to download the application. In the footer menu you can see it is suggested to download the application. When you download the application, I'll show you what it will look like. I have already downloaded the application. Just sign into your account, go to balance page, search for SBull. You can see $21 is there. You can search for SBull. You can see it is frozen right now. That's it for now. In the next video I'll show you how to withdraw that money to your account. Till then, like, share and subscribe and stay tuned to my channel.